Got a car that won't start just sitting in your driveway?
Here's where and how to actually sell it.
Trying to sell a non-running car can be a pain. Most private buyers aren't interested unless it runs, and dealerships usually aren't either. You could try selling it for parts, but that means figuring out what's valuable, taking it apart, and finding buyers piece by piece. Junkyards are an option, but they don't always pay much, and you'll probably have to tow it there yourself. There's also donating it, which is generous, but you won't get any money out of it. If your old car's just sitting there collecting dust, Peddle makes it super easy to sell.